Hello, how to solve for a and b in this equation? A to the power of b minus b to the power of a is equal to 17, where a is greater than b and b is greater than 0. Solution. Then here, we have a to the power of b minus b to the power of a is equal to 17. Let's transform the equation on the left-hand side here. That is, let a to the power of b is equal to a to the power of b to the power of 2 divided by 2, and this is equal to a to the power of b divided by 2 all square, and b to the power of a is equal to b to the power of a to the power of 2 divided by 2 is equal to b to the power of a divided by 2 all square. Now let's call this equation 1 and this equation 2. Then we can now rewrite a to the power of b minus b to the power of a as, here we have a to the power of b divided by 2 all square minus b to the power of a divided by 2 all square is equal to 17. Then here you know that we have 2 divided by 2 here. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So this does not really change the equation. Then from here, let a to the power of b divided by 2 is equal to x, and b to the power of a divided by 2 equal to y. Then we have x squared minus y squared is equal to 17. Now this is in the form of perfect square. That is, if you have u squared minus v squared, this is equal to u plus v multiplied by u minus v. Then this can be written as x plus y multiplied by x minus y is equal to 17. Now let's see, the 17 can be a product of 17 multiplied by 1 and 1 multiplied by 17. But from here, x plus y is greater than x minus y. Then this can be written as x plus y, which is greater than x minus y, is equal to, here 17 is greater than 1, and here 1 is less than 17. So this is rejected. We have 17 multiplied by 1. Then this become x plus y is equal to 17. Let's call this equation 3. And here x minus y is equal to 1. Let's call this equation 4. We can then solve this equation 3 and 4 simultaneously using elimination method by adding the two equations together. Let's add it together. If you add this together, x plus s, this is 2x, then y minus y, this will cancel, then 17 plus 1, that is equal to 18. Let's divide both sides by 2, divided by 2, this divided by 2. this will cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 here 9. Therefore, x is equal to 9. We've got the value of x. Let's solve for y. Then for y, from equation 3, we have x plus y is equal to 17. Then when x is equal to 9, then here we have 9 plus y is equal to 17. Y is equal to 17 minus 9. Then y is equal to 8. This is the value of y. But recall that a to the power of b divided by 2 is equal to x, and b to the power of a divided by 2 is equal to y. Then we have a to the power of b divided by 2 is equal to s is 9. Let's square both sides of this equation. We have a to the power of b divided by 2 all square is equal to 9 square. Then take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn, then these two will cancel this. We have a to the power of b is equal to 9 square, that is 81. Then a to the power of b is equal to 81 can be written as 3 to the power of 4. And if you look at this, we have the a is equal to 3 and the exponent is equal to 4. Therefore, our final answer is a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. This is the final answer. Also, from b to the power of a over 2 is equal to y, then b to the power of a over 2 is equal to y is 8. Let's square both sides of this equation. This square and 8 square. We have this will cancel this. We have b to the power of a is equal to 8 square, that is 64. Then b to the power of a is equal to 64 is 4 to the power of 3. And if you look at this too, the exponent is a is equal to 3 and the base is b, which is equal to 4. Therefore, a is equal to 3 and b equal to 4. This is also the same final answer. You can see that here, if you use this b to the power of a over 2, we have a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. Also from here, a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. So we can check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation a to the power of b minus b to the power of a is equal to 17. Then a is 3. We have 3 to the power of b is 4 minus 4 to the power of 3 must be equal to 17. Then from here, 3 to the power of 4, that is 81, minus 4 to the power of 3, that is 64, must be equal to 17. 81 minus 64, this is 17, is equal to 17, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.